Today, we are going to replace a fuel pump on a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Safety step. Disconnect the battery cable and make sure to have a fire extinguisher next to you. First step, you have to remove the back seat. Disclaimer, I am not doing this by myself. I have a professional doing it step by step with me. This is the fuel pump cover. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all of the screws. Pull this cover out, and the fuel pump is right here. So we have to pull this plug, and we have to pull these 3 hoses off. Be prepared. Have a rag for the fuel lines just in case it sprays fuel. You press this one from the 2 sides and pull it out gently. Next step, we need an 8mm ratchet to pull out these 6 nuts. After removing the 6 nuts, clear your way by pulling the hoses into the sides. Next step is a little tricky. You have to pull the cover and the pump together by tweaking it left and right until it passes the opening. Now, set the pump on the table and remove the back cover by using a screwdriver. Next step, you need to remove the plug by using a screwdriver. Now we remove the fuel pump. Now we're going to replace it with the new one. Remove the washer from the old pump and install it on the new pump with the filter. Next, make sure the rubber gasket is installed properly and then put the pump in. Install it with the wire. Install the cover back. After we installed everything in, just double check your work. Now we're going to revise the steps, but make sure the rubber gasket is on properly so it does not leak gas. Now we're going to tweak it left and right until it fits back in. Be sure to align these openings so it could fit in. Now install the 6 nuts back and install the hoses. Now, make sure you hear the hose click in so the gas does not leak out. Then put the plug back in. Now, we're going to do a test. We're going to start the car to make sure there are no leaks before we put the cover back. So, no leaks. Now we're going to put the cover back, the seat, and take it for a spin. I hope this was helpful. Thank you. Bye.